Bonjour les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In today's video, you are going to learn about the topic l'imperative négatif. We have done the topic l'imperative affirmative in the previous video. In this conjugation, we have to follow the 5 steps just like we did in l'imperative affirmative. Step 1, conjugate the verb in present tense. Step 2, take the two new and woo forms. Step 3, removal. First, remove s from the conjugated form of tu if the verb is er ending. Second, remove all the subject pronouns. Step 4, place n or an apostrophe before the verb and pa after the verb and change the first letter, that is n, in capital. We have to do this. An apostrophe will be used if the verb is starting with a vowel. This is the formation. And then put an exclamation mark at the end after pa. This is what we have to do for the formation of l'imperative négatif. And you note down this rule that while making l'imperative of tu form with any other combination of verbs such as ir ending, re ending, etc., we don't remove the s. So let's take one example. Suppose we have to form the imperative of manger. So in present tense, tu manges, nous mangions. E will be placed since it is ger ending verb. Vous mangez. This is the first step. Second, we have to take the two new and woo form. We have already done that. Removal of s. We have to remove s from here since it is a er ending verb. Then we have to remove all the subject pronouns. So we remove the subject pronouns. Step 4, place n and an apostrophe. So since it is starting with a consonant, so we will use ne mange pas for tu form, ne mangio form, mangio pas for nous form, and ne mangez pas for vous form. Then the fourth step says that we have to change the first letter n in capital. So we will change the first letter here in capital. This is how we do the changes. Step 5, put an exclamation mark at the end after pa. This is the conjugated form of manger in l'imperative négatif. Let's do some sentences. Ne mange pas ce gâteau. Don't eat this cake. Ne mangions pas ici. Ici means here. Gâteau means cake. Let's not eat here. Second one is let's not eat here. Third, ne mangez pas trop vite. Too fast. Don't eat too fast. This is the meaning. The pronunciation is trop and vite. Ne mange pas trop vite. Don't eat too fast. So this is how we conjugate the verb in l'imperative négatif. Now we will take up another verb so that you are able to understand how these verbs are conjugated. The second is, let's take placer, which means to place. So the conjugations are tu place, nous plaçons, since it is CER ending verb, nous plaçons, and vous placez. The second step was that we take the tu, nous, and vous form. The third step was that we remove the S from the ER ending verb and we remove the subject pronouns. Then we place ne, the fourth step, before the verb and pas after the verb. Ne before the verb, plaçons, pas after the verb. Ne placez pas. Then we change this ne into capital. It can be done directly, but first follow the steps, remember them so that you are able to get in sync with the conjugated form following the steps. This is the formation then, the imperative negative of placer. Let's take some examples. Ne place pas le livre ici. Don't place the book here. Second, ne plaçons pas la chaise ici. Let's not put the or let's not place the chair here. And no placez pas les sacs sur la table. Don't place the bags on the table. Ne place pas le livre ici. Don't place the book here. Ne plaçons pas la chaise ici. Don't place the chair here. Let's not place the chair here. And third, ne placez pas les sacs sur la table. Sac means bags. It is in plural. Sur means on. Don't place the bags on the table. Let's take one more example. Third verb, payer, which means to pay. In tu form, it is nous payons and vous payez. So, since it is er ending verb, we will remove this s and we will remove the the subject pronouns. So the first step was ne paye pas, ne payons pas, and ne payez pas. Then the last step, fifth, was put the exclamation mark. Imperative negative of payer. Example, ne paye pas le voyage. Don't pay for the traveling or trip. ne paye pas le billet maintenant. Let's not pay for the ticket now. Maintenant means ticket. Maintenant means now. Maintenant. Last one. Ne payez pas le billet par carte. This means card. Billet means ticket. Buy. Ne payez pas le billet par carte. This means don't pay the ticket by card. These are the verbs which I wanted to discuss, that is GER ending, YER ending, and CER ending. Follow the rules. You will be able to conjugate all these verbs and all the other verbs in imperative, affirmative, as well as in negative. Just follow the 5 steps. And this is all for today. Kindly practice all the verbs that you can to form the imperative, affirmative, and negative. We will discuss the exceptions to imperative in the next video. Please like the video if you understood the content. Kindly share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu, and press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates on time. Atre, bientôt.